Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to do one project from end to end, and this is a sales analysis project, and this actually we are going to do by using a Tableau visualization. Okay, we have a couple of requirement from our business, and based on the business actually we will try to build one dashboard. Okay, if I will show you high level idea about the dashboard, how actually it will look like, this will look like this. Okay, so based on the data we will show like how many sales happening, how many customer we have, how many profit we have, and how many total quantity of the product we have, who are the top 5 customer by the sales, top product by a sale, top city by a profit. Okay, and year by year how actually profit is going on, sales is going on. It's this kind of the dashboard actually we will try to learn in this particular video. Okay, if you are new in this particular channel, please do like, please do support, so that more videos like this I will try to post it. Okay, so let us try to first understand what is the whole project all about. So this is the sales analysis project. If I will show you the data, I have a data like this. Okay, I have a data like the order ID, order date, customer information, their country, city, state, and the region, category, product, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. This all the information I have. Okay, and what actually we have to do with the help of the Tableau, actually we have to create one visualization layer. Okay, so what is the requirement? As a business they want to know how many total number of customer we have. Okay, so generally whenever we work in an organization you will be having a data. Based on the data actually you have to do an analysis, and based on that you have to build a dashboard. Okay, so here also we are going to follow the same. We have a requirement. The first requirement, it is saying like you have to tell me how many total number of customer we have, how many total number of quantity of the product we have, how many total order which has been done, that is nothing but the sales. Out of the sales how many what is the total profit we have, who are the top 5 customer by the sales, who are the top 5 product by the sales, total sales trend by year, how year by year how much sales is going on, that actually we want to see. And what are the top 5 cities on which the profit is happening, and top region on which the sales is happening. So these are the metrics actually we will try to build in our dashboard. Okay, so let us start how actually we can build it. So I will open my Tableau. Okay, okay, so once you will open the Tableau, right, this will look like this. What actually you have to do, you have to connect to your data source. I'll click on the Excel, I'll click on the yearly sales analysis. Okay, you can see here we have a 3 sheet. We are I will do the orders, right? This order sheets actually based on this we will try to do analysis. I will just drag it. Okay, once you will drag it you will be able to see your all the columns and the data. Okay, now in the bottom you can see we have a sheet, right? We are going to create a sheet one by one. So first what I will do, we will create a top, we will show like total customer. What we will show, total customer. Okay, so this is the first thing we are going to see, total customer. How actually we can see a customer? Okay, so you can see we have the customer ID, right? So if we'll just drag into the text, okay, you can see the total customer. What I will do, I will only select the distinct customer. Okay, so you can see 793 I have a distinct customer. Okay, what I will do, I will increase the font size here. Okay, go to the font, increase the size of the font. Let's make 20 bold, and let's show it like in a blue color or this color. Okay, so this is the total customer actually we are showing. Okay, now we will see now what is the total sales we have. Okay, total sales. So whatever I am writing in a sheet, actually it will reflect into the here also. Okay, total sales. Okay, now what actually we'll do, sales, I will just drag into the text. You can see the total sales we have is this much. Okay, what I will do, I will also do a formatting. I'll increase the size of the font. I'll make it 20 bold, and this color. Okay, this is the total sales we have. So after that I will find out the total profit. Okay, total profit. Okay, so what I will do, this profit column, right, I will just drag it, and similarly I will make it, I will do a formatting, I will increase the size 20. Okay, and I will select this. Okay, so what actually we have done, total customer, for that we have one sheet, total sales we have one sheet, total profit we have a one sheet. Okay, again I will create one more sheet, and here we will select the total quantity. Okay, now we have a total quantity of the product, right? Just I will drag it the similar way. You can see we have a total 37873 quantity. What I will do, I will just increase the font size 20, bold. Okay, so this is the total quantity we have. Okay, now let's try to find out the top 5 customer, by sales. Who are the top 5 customer by the sales? So I have a customer name information, and I have the sales information, right? Just I will just click both, and I will click on the first chart. So it is showing me all the customer name and their sales. Okay, we want to know the top 5 customer by sales, right? So I will sort this whole the sales information in a descending order. Okay, how actually we can do, you can see we have one option to sort into a descending. If I sort, you can see from a highest to the lowest, it actually got sorted based on the sales. Okay, now the highest sales happen from this particular customer. We only want to show 5. So what I will do, go to the customer name, go to the filter, in a top, just select top 5 sales of the sum. Okay, you can see you will only see the top 5 sales. Okay, these are the top 5 we have. Okay, even if you want to change another visualization, you can do it like this also, or like this also. Okay, so we will show like this. Okay, so this is what actually we have created. These are the 5 customer we have and their sales. Okay, top 5 sales by the customer. Okay, now we will see top 5 product by sales, Okay, let's see what are the top 5 product by the sales we have. So we have a product name information, and we will see based on the profit. Okay, what are the top product by profit. Okay, so I will select this, and I will just click on this. Okay, we will show this based on the top 5 product by profit. Okay, here also I will sort it, and I will select only the uh, top 5 information. Okay, so top 5, I want to see top 5 product by profit. Okay, so I will get this 5 product. Okay, and this actually, if you want to see in a bar chart, then also you can write it. Okay, this is a bar chart we have created, and if you want to do a coloring based on the product, what you will do, you just drag into the color, it is showing. Okay, and number, if you want to see, you just drag into the label. You can see these are the top 5 product we have by the sales. Okay, and this is the one actually we are showing. Okay, even you want to do alias editing, you can do. You can only write Canon image class, instead of showing all the product, you can write like this also. Okay, so that you can show it properly. Okay, this also, let's make it proper name. Okay, this also, let's make it the proper name instead of showing all. Okay, similarly for this all. Okay, for this also I will make the changes. Okay, okay, so these are the top 5 product we have. Okay, now let's see on the top region where sales is happening. Okay, top region by sales. Okay, on what are the top region where the sales is happening. So I have one region. Okay, and let me select the sales also, and if I will show you, I want to create one pie chart. Okay, this is the pie chart we have. I want to increase the size. Let me increase the size. This is the size. Okay, so we have a 4 region. Okay, central, west, east, and the south. Okay, there the sales is happening more. Okay, now if you want to see the number also, just sales column, drag into the text. You can see these are the 4 column where the sales is happening. I want to see in the percentage wise. Click here, click on the percentage of the total here. This will show in the based on the percentage. You can see 31% is happening from the west region only, after that east, and after that central, and after that the south. Okay, so this is the graph, it is showing like this. Okay, even if you want to see the region also, the region, right, you just drag into the label. You can see the region also, it is showing here. Okay, now let us see sales trend, uh, sales trend, uh, sales and sales versus profit trend, how actually it is going on. Okay, sales versus profit trend we will show. Okay, so I have a sales column, I have a profit column, and I have a order date. Okay, and I will create one line chart. Okay, you can see here in the marks, right, there are two option we have. One is for the profit. Okay, I want to see the number also, so I will select the number. And similarly for the sales also it got created, so sales also I will drag into the number. Okay, now from this graph you will see, from this graph you will see we have a from this graph you will see the year by year, like 2014 we had this much sales and this much profit. Okay, let me drag the sales up. Okay, just let me make it like this. Okay, so we have this much sales on the 2014, out of which we have this much profit. Okay, year by year we are showing like this. If it is in increasing order, so means our business is doing good. Okay, if it will be in declining order, means that is something fishy. Okay, so here with this graph actually we can compare this much sales happened and this much profit happened year by year, how actually it is going. Okay, similarly let's make another chart. Let's try to make let's see what are the other requirement we had. Okay, top CT by profit. So let's see the top CT by the profit. So we have one CT column, and let's select the profit. Okay, and let's create that. Okay, we will only see the top 5 CT. Okay, so I will select on the filter top 5 by a profit. First let me sort this, and after that only I will do a filter top 5 by profit, and I will select this one. Okay, so this is the view we have created, top CT by profit. Okay, after creating all the sheets, right, now let's create one dashboard. Okay, let's try to merge all these things. So I'll click on the new dashboard, and this is the dashboard. Okay, I will select the size, I'll select the automatic size. Okay, now here we will try to drag it. Now let me first drag the text. Okay, so this is the text. I'll write the sales analysis project. Okay, and I will increase the size 20, bold, and this is the color, in a center only I will show. Okay, so you can see sales analysis project we are doing. After that let me try to drag each and every sheets. You can see all the sheets actually it is showing here, right? Now let us try to drag each and every sheets. Let me first drag the top 5 customer by sales. Okay, now after that the top 5 product also I will try to drag. Okay, here you can see, right? Let me delete this. Okay, now you can see so what I will do, this one, right, the sales analysis project, this is the header only, so I will make it here. Okay, now after that the region wise. Okay, the sales by profit, let us try to drag this. Okay, sales versus the profit trend, this is the trend we have, and the top CT by profit I will show here. Okay, Now let's make it entire view so that it will look properly. Okay, and top region also, if you want to show, what I will do, I will just drag here. Okay, let's adjust each and everything so that it will look properly. Okay, let me adjust this also. Okay, so this you have to adjust. Okay, so you can see we have a top 5 customer by sale, top region by sale, top product by profit, and sales versus profit trend, and the top city by profit also we have. Okay, now let us also drag the customer details. Look at the total customer I have dragged here, total sales I have dragged here, total profit I will drag, and the total quantity I will drag. Okay, now let's make it properly. So let me create the entire view. Here also the entire view. This also let's make a entire view. This also let's make a entire view. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, and let me let me make it in a center. Similarly, this also let's make it in a center. Total sales also in a center so that it will look properly. Total profit also let's make it in a center. Now this one is showing in here, right? Let me go to the format. Okay, go here, pen or in the center. Similarly here also center. Here also I will go center. Here also I will go make it a center. Okay, so now you can see this is what actually we have developed now. Okay, now let's do some kind of the formatting. Let's add a border so that it will look properly. Let me add a border. Okay, here also let me add a border. Okay, so what is the dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but it is a combination of the all sheets. First we have developed all the sheets. After that, what we are doing, after that we are actually combining all the sheets and we are making a dashboard, proper dashboard. Okay, and this is the one. Okay, okay, so this is the dashboard we have created. Even if you want to do more formatting, you can do it. Okay, okay, now after that also, if you want to do more formatting, you can do it. Okay, like suppose you have to do a coloring, you have to make it a background color changes and all that also you can do. But this is the high level idea how actually we can build a dashboard. I hope you got idea like how actually we create a dashboard, right? Now how actually we have to read based on this dashboard. So you can see from this particular dashboard how business will take a decision. They can see they have a total number of customer as of now this much, total quantity of the product they have this, and total sales happened this much, and out of which total profit they had is this much. Okay, now year by year how the sales is happening, how the profit is happening. If it is in upward orders, means it is good. If it is in declining, means something is fishy. On which the top region where the sales is happening more, they can track from this particular chart. The top 5 product, 5 customer where the sales is happening more, you can see from here. Okay, top 5 product by the profit, and the top city where the sales is happening more. Okay, so this kind of the chart will give you the complete idea about the how the sales is happening. Okay, even if you want to add a multiple matrix, you can add that and you can show here. Okay, yeah, so that was all about in this project. Yeah, thank you.